Eastern Oregon. I've been here before, but not quite like this. No wine tasting, fancy cities, cell service, or internet. The weather here changes from hour to hour, making this a harsh environment for the arid land below. I spent a week out here, 2 hours away from the Idaho border. Why, you ask? To try my hand at elk hunting. I know. Hunting doesn't have the best reputation and is often looked down upon. Killing an animal for fun isn't exactly on the top of my list. For me, this journey was about the experience, the spiritual aptitude of surrounding myself in an unforgiving place, enjoying the peace and quiet of nature, and bonding with Pops. Alright, we're out here at elk camp. We climbed a pretty massive hill. What do you think from the cabin? 4 miles, you were saying?
Time we get back is going to be about 4 miles. Beautiful country out here. Everyone needs to be able to come out and do something like this. Be out with nature.
Yeah.
Saw a bunch of mule deer today, which was kind of cool. Actually, I heard some turkeys early this morning.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. But the muleys were nice to see.
Yeah, we were about, what, maybe 30 feet from them when we hit that ridge line?
Yeah, I'd say about 30 feet.
Pretty good.
I've seen about 4 or 5 groups of them. We're out in Eastern Oregon, having a good time, doing a little bonding and having a good time. It's nice to be out here where it's nice and quiet and can hear all the birds. Do you remember hearing all those birds over here?
Yeah, there's a massive amount of birds in those trees. But yeah, even if you don't like hunting, sometimes just come out here and relaxing in the peaceful nature is always a good thing.
That was a good hike today.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
You see how far the cabin is?
Yeah.
Baby.
There's no sound, but...
Yes, we're fine. I trusted Bill for the end, so... No, we're fine. We're fine. Hey, we're fine. I see somebody going to shit on your bed.
Bill Stewart, could you give us a few words of wisdom out here on our kind of guys hunt weekend? Let everyone know what you think of Dustin Point and the property.
Without question, one of the finest spots of the entire ranch, right here, right now, right here. With these guys, my good friends. We're blessed to be here. That's all I got to say. Thank you, Scott Knox, for letting us come up here. You can see Eastern Oregon is a beautiful place. I'm just thankful to be here. Thank you, Steve Geider, for inviting me.
Yeah. We had one question, though.
Yes?
If we had to walk back, would you right now?
No.
I think we better get in the quad and head back.
Let's do it. Well, wait a minute. It was having a fuel. When that does that, it was having a fuel problem.
Well, we're not quite as jolly and happy because we got to walk back. It's only about 5 miles, but the cocktail hour would be that much better.
Yeah, I think I'll have I'll partake in the cocktail hour
Yay!
tonight. This is gonna suck, but
Yeah, this is gonna. Hey, it's all about outlook in life, though.
Yep,
And
gotta
it is
enjoy
what-
it.
I'd rather be walking with my bestest friends and my son. So
I'd rather be riding in the quad.
Well, I guess we're about halfway back or something like
about
that.
halfway back, we're still in good spirits and hope to have some spirits on the porch.
Yep.
About a mile and a half, maybe. But now we're going uphill.
This will be
And
fun.
Daddy-O doesn't do good uphill.
Yeah, my legs are starting to go today.
This is a workout burn.
Yeah, we've pretty much been hiking and walking outside all day today. It's been really a workout, but we're almost back.
It's beautiful. We'll see how beautiful it is when we get back. It may not be.
Where's Dad?
Ouch! Uphill hard.
Finally made it back to the ranch house. It was quite a trek. I kind of went ahead, so they're right behind me somewhere. But yeah, I'm super hungry, ready for a drink.
I'm Jerry Boyer.
Yeah, if you want to tell me a little bit about your store, and I know you were telling me up there that when it was started.
Yeah, my grandfather started in 1927, so it'll be 94 years. Yeah, for our family having it. My grandfather had it, and my father had it after him. And then now I have it, and my son works for me, so hopefully he'll take it someday.
Yeah.
So hopefully soon.
And I'm guessing you're local to the town here, right?
Yeah, I grew up here. In fact, I grew up next door.
Next door?
Yeah. When my dad was growing up, he lived in the store. That was back in the days. Where the booze is over here, that was the bathroom. And so the living room was where the coat case is. And of course, and the new part, which we still call it the new part, was built in 1964. And that's the new part of the store.
What is there to do around here?
Well, we have the North Fork of the John Day River, so that's always good fishing. There's steelhead, bass fishing, and you can go play in the river. A lot of people raft it. I have a couple kayaks. I kayak in the summertime.
Okay.
It's a little warmer.
So do you know much about the John Day fossil beds at all?
Oh, it's fascinating.
Yeah.
Have you been there yet?
I've been there once, but
Okay.
that was a long time ago.
Yeah, they have a paleontologist on staff, so you can watch them do paleontology work. You got to hit the Blue Basin Trail. That's really amazing. You get to walk up into where they find the fossils.
Oh.
Yeah, and it's right from this side is right before you get to the fossil beds, about 3 or 4 miles. There's a big sign. You want to hit that. That's amazing. Yeah.
So definitely that's one of the things.
It's definitely something you want to see while you're here. Yeah.
So is it like a restaurant or anything I should try out here?
So at the motel, there's a little food cart.
Okay.
Really good hamburgers.
What is up, YouTube? We are out here at the motel food cart. I believe it's called the North Fork Food Cart or something like that. This is the best burger in town in this very small town. So yeah, it's just a cheeseburger, so let's dig in and see what it's like. It's juicy, it's hearty, it's cheesy. Definitely hits the spot in this rugged landscape, exploring the world and what it has to offer, looking for new spots. We found this little food cart next to a motel. Sometimes you just gotta do a little exploring to find the diamonds in the rough. And Monument is definitely very small. I wouldn't even call it a town, it's more like an outpost. Also came with fries. Not too crispy, not too soggy, and the seasoning is actually very balanced and it's not overpowering either. These are some really damn good fries.
So if you go to Dayville, which is the other side of the Knox Ranch, Dayville Cafe has the best pies in Eastern Oregon. Dayville Cafe with really good food. They say the only thing that's not homemade is the ketchup.
Okay. You get a lot of like people from the big city passing through, or what brings people through?
We don't get a lot of tourists here. It's not on the way to anywhere, so you pretty much have to be coming here. So as for a store, we definitely rely on our local people to keep us in business.
Yeah.
But deer season, elk season, it gets quite a bit busier.
Has COVID kind of affected things around here at all, or not really?
Yeah, it's at one time we had 15 cases in town.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so we got pretty serious for a while. The school shut down, everybody quarantined, and really slow business-wise. But and then we haven't had another case since. So that was really good. Yeah, hopefully that was our got it open.
Well, yeah, I think we'll be getting back to the ranch here soon. Do a little evening hunt. Hopefully we get something. Juniper tree overlooking the valley below. Usually it's not a good idea to bring a dog, but the valley's pretty far down there and there's some hills and stuff across the way that I don't think that should spook anything, and the wind is actually blowing towards me, so at least my scent and his scent are hidden a little bit. But yeah, we're just gonna kind of sit here and see if anything pops out. Alright, so we just checked that ridge behind us over here, about towards the east. We're gonna go towards this kind of like plateau, but we'll check that side, and then if we don't see something, we'll start heading back because it's getting kind of late and dark. So, hello. You've not helped one bit. Get out of here. Alright, what is up, YouTube? We are out here at the Painted Hills. As you can see, it is a spectacular sight. I believe this is one of the 7 wonders of Oregon, so take that in. The hills get their name from the delicately colored stratifications in the soil. The yellows, golds, blacks, and reds of the Painted Hills are best seen in the late afternoon. Tones and hues may appear to change from one visit to another as the claystones differ with the ever-changing light and moisture levels. That's as in-depth of a geology lesson as I'm going to get. Instead, I want to inspire you. I want to challenge you. I want you to get out in the world and go exploring. Don't get caught up in the details or feel unworthy that you know nothing of the subject matter. Here at the Pack, it's about how exploring makes you feel. Look at this place. The dirt is freaking red. The sun is shining and life is good. You will be amazed how a place like the Painted Hills makes you feel. There's about 5 little mule deer up on this ridge. I spooked them a little bit, so they started running.
With my boy, having a great time. It's only good, Dad.
Yeah.
We're having a great time. We're going to try to make this yearly adventure. It's kind of a bonding time for friends and family, and kind of guys trip though. And we just love getting out, do a little hiking. Here's one of my best friends from high school, still together. Love them. Love both these guys, and we hope we have more of these coming your way.
Yep. Not seeing any elk or any turkey or anything like that. Go one more scan here. Yeah, we've seen quite a bit of deer. Lots of different variety of birds, ducks, grouse. What they've been calling chuckers. Not sure what those are, but I'm sure they're some type of grouse. We are heading to a place called Juniper Tree. It overlooks a ravine into a field. Let's move on. This is what we're doing. We're doing a little quick quad hunting here. All right. So we just checked that ridge behind us over here.